In this video, I'll show you how to turn a simple image into a beautiful graphic like this. Let's get started. First, open Canva and choose any size you like. I'm selecting the Facebook post size. Go to Elements and choose any background color you like. Set the image as your background. Go to Uploads and select the image you like. Remove the background of the image from here. Resize the image as needed. Duplicate the image by clicking here. Resize the image and place it behind using the Layers panel. Go to Transparency and adjust it as you like. Go to Elements and search for Glow. Choose the glow light you like. Duplicate it by clicking here. Right-click and select Show Layers. Then, hold the Control key and click on all the glow light layers. Click on the three dots, then select Group. Keep the image layer on top. In the Elements section, search for Corner Light. Go to the Elements tab. Click on the square shape. Click here to change the color. Click here to change the color. Click on the color picker. Pick a color that matches the background. Click here to copy the color code. Click on the gradient option. Then, go to the second color and click on it. Click here and paste the color code you copied earlier. Click here to choose the linear gradient style you prefer. Adjust the transparency from here as needed. Click on this point and rotate it to your desired angle. Go to Elements and search for Gold Text. Go to Shadows and click on Drop. Go to the Elements tab and search for Blue Fairy Wings. Go to Transparency and lower the clarity to your preference. Right-click, go to Layers and move the wing layers behind the image. That's it. Your beautiful graphic is ready. Click the Share button and download your design.